welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, we are going to do this very bold makeup look that was done by a UK makeup artist. I'll leave a picture right here and the name of this, like she was in like a makeup school, I believe, so I'll leave the name of where I got the picture from right here. So I'm not going to ramble on in this intro because everybody hates to have a long intro and then that's how you click out of the video, but as you can see I'm still rambling. But anywho, if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching the video. Hey everyone, welcome back. So for today's look, well, as you can see, y'all know the deal. I already have my face primed, my eyebrows on, and my eyes primed. So today we're doing a very bold look that I saw on Instagram. Now this is, I've been really inspired by like UK makeup, and I feel like it will challenge like my makeup ability. So that's the look I'll show you. I'll leave a picture in somewhere in this video. It'll probably be over here. Y'all know I can't remember which side it's on when I'm editing. But this is what the look looks like, and I'm going to try to recreate this look to a T. So the first palette we're going to go in with is the Miss Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette, and we're taking this yellow shade because as you can see she has some yellow going on at the top. This is kind of like a rainbow look, but like without like some of the colors, kinda. And I'm just taking this on a fluffy blending brush. I need to get a new one because as you can see it's like fraying away. It's getting old. So I'm just going to work this in to the transition part of the eye. And we are going to pack this color on. You probably can't tell because you know I'm a little chocolate. So the next palette I'm going in with is the Morphe 350M Morphe palette. And I'm taking this orange shade right here. And we're going to put this below that color. So as you can see, we're kind of like transitioning with each color. Hopefully this color isn't too orange, but we gonna find out. And I'm just taking this on the NYX Professional Makeup Brush, number 16. So the next shade I'm going in with is this Take Me to Bristle palette, this shade right here. And this is just like a nice pink shade. And we're gonna layer this color on top of the colors that we put down. And we're gonna put this just a little bit below. And we are taking this on the Morphe R39 brush. Make sure you blend this color out, especially at the top. Y'all are probably looking like, what the hell is she doing? Just wait. Hopefully this will all come together. But on the brighter note, I'm not going out tonight. So the next shade we're gonna go in with is in the Juvias Place palette, the Mini Masquerade. And we are taking the shade Zobo right here. And we are going to put this below the other color. And the brush I'm going in with is just this pointy blender shading brush. And we are mainly focusing this color on the inner and outer points of the eye. Okay, so the next shade we're gonna go in with is still in the Take Me to Bristle palette, and it's this purple shade right here. And we're just gonna deepen it. We're gonna go below where we put that other shade, and we're gonna deepen this look up. So excited! And we're taking this on the exact same brush. So now, y'all are probably getting tired of all these colors. This isn't an easy look, y'all. I mean, this might be easy for some, but this is not meant to be easy. And I'm sorry. Please don't click out of this video. I didn't mean any harm. Okay. So the next shade I'm going in with is this dark blue shade, and this is in the same palette, the Take Me to Brazil. And I'm just taking this dark blue shade, and I'm taking this on a pointed brush because we need to get up in here and be very precise. So for the last color, I'm actually going to carve out my lid for this. I'm going back into the Juvias Place palette, and I'm taking the shade Zola, this nice teal blue shade right here, and I'm putting this in the center of the lid. Now I'm taking this on with a packer brush because we need this color to be super vibrant. Of course we're going to have some fallout, but it is okay. Now I'm taking this on a flat eyeshadow brush, and this brush is from Wet n Wild, and I believe it was like $1. Okay, so now we're about to add the glitter. So for glitter I'm using, or the primer I'm using is the NYX Glitter Primer. And for glitter, we're using this like silvery blue type of glitter. She had like some glitter action going on just on the lid. Now we're going to go in with this nice teal, like green blue shade, and we're going to smudge this all on the bottom. So now we're going to put lashes on. So for lashes, I'm going in with, these are by AliExpress, and these are in the shade D shade. These are in the style D05. Okay, so for highlights, I'm going to go in with Smolder Cosmetics Loose Glam Dust and Sand. And we are going to glow, bitch. So don't think, like, if you recreate this look, you gonna have to glow. Because it's the only way to do it. So for lips, we're just going to do a nude because that's what she had on in the picture. So for lips, we're going to go in with the shade. Okay, so we're just going to go in with this lip pencil. And this is going to be our all over shade color. Oh, I didn't tell you what the name of the last pencil was. So this pencil right here is called Downtown Beauty. And that's what I drew on the outside. And the next shade we're going in with is London. And these are by NYX. So she had a gloss on top, so you can just go in with any gloss. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So this is it for the look. I'm gonna do my hair and put on a different shirt off camera. Ow. Alright everyone. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see me do more UK inspired looks, leave them in the comment box below. But without further ado, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys. It's okay.
It is not okay.
Yes, it
is. Bria, look at your fucking eye. Look at your eye.